Today, we delve into the intricate relationship between rest, recovery, and achieving maximum effectiveness from your workout regimen. Firstly, we challenge popular misconceptions that imply rest and recovery are secondary to a potent training routine. The truth is quite contrary. Rest and recovery are structurally integral to successful muscle building and fat loss. It's during these rest periods that our bodies work diligently to repair the muscle tissue, ultimately leading to growth. It's also pertinent to note that inadequate rest can needlessly elevate stress hormones in our body, thwarting progress in muscle development and fat loss. Truly embracing the importance of rest and recovery can transform your approach to physical fitness. In order to fully grasp the significance of rest and recovery, we must first understand the biological underpinning of muscle growth and fat loss. It all starts with resistance training that causes microtraumas in the muscle fibers. These tiny traumas signal the body to repair, ultimately leading muscles to grow back stronger and larger. Simultaneously, our body also utilizes fat as fuel for this recuperation process. It's during these intervals of rest that your body focuses on repair and growth of muscle tissue. Hence, rest isn't just a period of inactivity but rather, an active biological process that is central to achieving your fitness goals. Rest and recovery are not merely passive components of fitness, they are deeply interwoven into the very fabric of muscle growth and fat loss. What we often fail to realize is that intense workouts are, essentially, putting our bodies through the ringer, creating microscopic tears in muscle tissues. It's during the subsequent rest periods that muscles bounce back stronger and larger. Similarly, fat burning also accelerates during recovery as the body uses it to fuel muscle repair. Skimping on rest can compromise these processes and unwittingly impede fitness progress. It's crucial, then, to dispel the myth of relentless training and recognize rest as an indispensable ally in your fitness journey. Sleep is the heavy lifter when it comes to muscle recovery. This precious downtime is when the body secretes growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, sleep plays a pivotal role in regulating other hormones that influence appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. Lack of sleep can hamper this complex choreography of hormone regulation, leading to compromised metabolism and muscle recovery. Studies have shown that insufficient sleep can lead to increased hunger and reduced satiety signals, often contributing to weight gain. Understanding and respecting the role of sleep is a surefire way to enhance recovery, optimize muscle growth, and facilitate fat loss. Maximizing rest and recovery entails more than just catching up on sleep. Certain post-workout practices can significantly enhance your body's healing potential. Nutrition, for instance, plays a critical role in boosting recovery. Consuming balanced meals, rich in proteins and complex carbs, can facilitate muscle repair and refuel your energy reserves. Hydration, too, is non-negotiable. Drinking enough water aids in nutrient transport, helping your body deliver essential minerals and proteins to muscles post-workout. Certain activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises also help in reducing physical stress and accelerate recovery. A stitch in time saves 9. Effective recovery practices today can significantly improve your fitness results tomorrow. In conclusion, the importance of rest and recovery cannot be overstated in the quest for muscle growth and fat loss. Without enough rest, your workouts could end up being less effective, and you might find your progress stalling. By incorporating recovery into your fitness strategy, you're setting the stage for sustainable, long-term progress. It's about cultivating a balanced approach to fitness, one that wisely juggles workout intensity with periods of recovery. Don't push your body excessively without giving it the downtime it needs to regenerate and grow. Remember, in the fitness journey, balance is key, and rest and recovery are the counterweights to an intense training regimen.